There are two kinds of wheels available for these portable grinders. One kind of wheel is thin, wafer thin like this, and the other kind is this thicker kind. They have different uses. The thicker one is designed for grinding, and in the grinding process is designed for pressure to be exerted against or upon. These will not break easily, even if you drop the tool with them, although it's recommended that you don't drop these because this is a wheel that's brittle. It's man-made and it's brittle material. It's very abrasive. You can see it's made up of these small abrasive particles, but then it's glued back together, and so this will shatter. This one breaks even easier. This is designed for cutting. It's wafer thin for this purpose, so that the least amount of material is being removed from whatever you're cutting. If the least amount of material is being removed, that's when cuts are made the fastest. But they are not designed for grinding. If you exert any kind of side pressure on this one, they just break like this. Alright, if this happens to you halfway through the operation, even if you're wearing safety goggles and everything or a face shield, you're going to be unhappy with the flying particles of this. Two more things about these grinding wheels or wheels. Some of them are formulated to cut steel really efficiently. Some are made to cut aluminum really efficiently. Some are just labeled like this, metal. There are other discs here that are for masonry. And so different materials might need different discs. The last thing I want to point out, there's an RPM rating on it. 13,300 RPMs max. There you have it, max. So make sure that whatever tool you're mounting it on, the tool's RPM doesn't exceed the wheel's RPM rating. See, this tool at no load, that's N0, at no load spins at 11,000 RPMs. It doesn't say RPM, it says 11,000/minute. Alright, it's not N0 means it's no load. It's a box tool, it's a German tool. That's how European tools are marked for RPM. Alright, so this tool will spin these discs at a safe speed within the design parameters of the discs. However, just like Jeff pointed it out to me, don't use the wrong disc for the wrong purpose, otherwise you might be eating it or being surgically removed from your eyeball.